Vlogmas day 15. I just got finished streaming on Twitch and now I am probably going to go shopping for Christmas presents. So I am off to go to this sustainable store because I feel like whenever I buy presents now, sustainability is a huge factor that I'm considering. So I'm gonna go check out this store, and I know that I want to get stainless steel straws for my mom, but I'm gonna see what else I can browse and buy when I get there. I'm so excited. Okay, so I just got back in the car. The shop owner of that place was literally so nice. He was like talking to me about photography and teaching me about f-stop and aperture and all that, and he was showing me some of his pictures. And then yeah, I picked up these straws, stainless steel straws. That was what I was on a mission for, to get for my mom. So mission accomplished. That was awesome. And he actually gave me his website to check out too. Like, it was different than the store's website, so I was like, cool. So I got the card right here with the one website here, the other website here, and now I'm about to head home and check it out. So I'm checking out the website that the owner of the shop gave me, and these pictures are so cool. It's literally of his travels, so it's really cool. So, an update, it is now 6:48 p.m. and I have been chatting with a sad girl in space. Say hi. Hi. No, it's okay. But we were just working on setting up her little Twitch overlays and stuff like that, because she is also a Twitch streamer, and she is also setting up a YouTube channel because she has an account on the WeTube, and that's how we actually met. But she's setting up a YouTube channel too. Do you know what the name is? Okay, cool.
So check that out. There's no content on there. I'm currently sick, but that's okay. Finals just ended and I want to put some content on there really soon, so check it out if you want.
Yes! So yeah, everybody go over there to Sad Girl, type that into YouTube, and go give her a subscriber. Alright y'all, I just got finished streaming on Twitch and now I'm about to go to sleep. Thank you for watching today's vlog, and until I see you next, peace.